The Mekong and Salween rivers are critical ecosystems that provide livelihoods, food security, and cultural heritage for millions of people. These rivers face growing threats from hydropower projects, sand extraction, illegal fishing, irrigation demands, pollution, and the impacts of climate change. These pressures disproportionately affect indigenous riverine communities, people with disabilities, and women and girls who bear the brunt of economic hardships, social inequalities, and cultural disruptions.
ហើយសម្រាប់ការនេសាទត្រីវិញកាលមុនប៉ាខ្ញុំគាត់ទៅបងសណាញ់ហើយគាត់កាប់ភ្លើងគាត់ដាក់តែទឹកសឡនឹងទុកគាត់ទៅតែអត់បាន1ម៉ោងផងគាត់មកវិញបានត្រី1គីឡូតែឥឡូវវិញទៅមួយថ្ងៃទៅល្ងាចមិនបាន10ឬក៏5ឆ្នាំ10ឆ្នាំទៅមុខត្រីអាចសម្បូរដូចសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃឬក៏អត់ខ្ញុំក៏អត់ទាន់ដឹងទៀតខ្ញុំគិតថាប៉ះពាល់មនុស្សទូទៅចាជាពិសេសគឺជនដែលងាយរងគ្រោះដូចជាជនមានពិការភាពស្ត្រីមេម៉ាយហើយនិងក្រុមដែលស្រឡាញ់ភេទដូចគ្នាទើបយើងខំការពារអភិរក្សទាំងអស់គ្នាដោយសារតែឥឡូវក៏ត្រីវាក៏រៀងខ្សត់ខ្សោយម្ដងបន្តិចហើយដែរចានៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំរៀបចំខ្លួនទៅចាស់ល្បាតម្ដងនឹងខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាភ័យផងអរផងគឺយើងខ្លាចថាជួបបទល្មើសនេសាទខុសច្បាប់យើងដេញគេទៅនៅពេលដែលបទល្មើសនឹងតដៃមកវិញធ្វើឲ្យយើងនឹងដូចស្រីនឹងអត់សូវក្លាហានអត់សូវនេះដូចបរោះទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនៅតែចង់ទៅមួយគាត់នឹងឲ្យជំនះនៅភាពភ័យខ្លាចនឹង
I grew up in the community which is very far from the city, and in my community there were only 2 persons with disability. I experienced bullying sometimes at school. I often, escape or run away from school. It was painful so much for me. I feel so lonely and isolated. Even though I experienced a lot of discrimination, obstacle, and barrier, what keep me move on is that I want to see improvement in the future so that person with disability can work, can get a job, can be productive members in society.
To address these challenges, Oxfam, as part of the Inclusion Project 2, developed the Gender Equality, Disability, and Social Inclusion Strategic Framework, GEDSI, and adopted the Feminist Participatory Action Research, FPAR approach.
FPAR, the Feminist Participatory Action Research, is actually a new tool for our partners. In our design stage, within FPAR will allow us to understand more gender issues and more understanding on the marginalized community. តាមរយៈការអនុវត្តគម្រោងអង្គការភូមិខ្ញុំជាមួយនឹងអង្គការ Oxfam គឺយើងមានគោលបំណងទី1គឺតកតងជាមួយនឹងការផ្តល់ការកសាងសមត្ថភាពក៏ដូចជាការពង្រឹងសមត្ថភាពទៅដល់ក្រុមស្ត្រីក្រុមយុវជនជនជាតិដើមភាគតិចទៅលើការអនុវត្តផែនការសកម្មភាព Gender និងមួយទៀតគឺយើងឲ្យសហគមន៍គាត់ទទួលបានព័ត៌មានពេញលេញទៅលើផែនការអភិវឌ្ឍការងារអបអរកិច្ចទឹកនិងធម្មពលកកើតឡើងវិញអញ្ចឹងតាមរយៈការពង្រឹងសមត្ថភាពក៏ដូចជាការកសាងសមត្ថភាពទៅដល់ក្រុមស្ត្រីបង្គោលតាមភូមិគោលដៅយើងឃើញថាពួកគាត់មានសមត្ថភាពក្នុងការដឹកនាំជាក់ស្ដែងដូចជាបងស្រីកូនសំដនអញ្ចឹងគាត់រស់នៅភូមិកោះស្នែងហើយគាត់ក៏ជាស្ត្រីបង្គោលមួយនៅក្នុងភូមិនៅក្នុងការដឹកនាំក្រុមបង្កើតក្រុមហើយដឹកនាំក្រុមធ្វើសកម្មភាពដូចជាចុះល្បាតក៏ដូចជាដឹកនាំក្នុងការធ្វើការតាមដានកម្រិតទឹកហើយមួយទៀតគាត់ក៏បានដឹកនាំក្រុមហ្នឹងទៅធ្វើការសិក្សាស្រាវជ្រាវព្រៃលិចទឹកផងដែរ
LDPA is able to provide training, is able to provide coaching to IP2 partner, local partner, so that they can implement activity in inclusive way. LDPA is able to collect data from member with disability individually at community level to see the impact that come from this project and to see their level of involvement and to understand the project activity can empower them at individual levels.
As the Inclusion Project 2 approaches its conclusion, a new program is taking shape. To ensure diverse perspectives are represented and lessons from the Inclusion Project 2 are integrated, Oxfam is hosting a stakeholder workshop to collaboratively shape its future initiatives.
เจ้าตัวนี้เนี่ยถือว่าเป็นจุดเริ่มต้นเนาะแน่นอนว่าผลกระทบที่ได้จากการร่วมใน IP2 และการนำเอา Gender หรือว่า Gen Z เข้าในนี้มันเป็นที่ว่าในขั้นเบื้องต้นนี้ถือว่ายากหลายสำหรับพวกเราแต่ว่าหนึ่งในนั้นผลที่ได้รับออกมาเราถือว่าประทับใจหลายๆเวียกแม่นเริ่มมีนำเอาเรื่อง Gender หรือ Gen Z เข้าในเวียกงานการคุ้มครองน้ำหนึ่งในนั้นคือเวียกงานการคุ้มครองน้ำหรือว่าในโครงการคือโครงการล็อกเนาะ
Gen Z approach is really impactful to person with disability. In my hope for Laos, I wish society to see the positive potential of person with disability. I hope to see that society is more inclusive.
ពីមុនខ្ញុំជាមនុស្សម្នាក់ដែលគ្មានភាពក្លាហានចាទុនខ្សោយមែនតើតែឥឡូវខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំមានភាពក្លាហានខ្ញុំអាចទៅនិយាយជាមួយអ្នកដែលគាត់មានមុខងារធំការងារធំឬមួយក៏មេឃុំមេភូមិអីគឺខ្ញុំអាចនិយាយបានសហគមន៍ខ្ញុំទីដំបូងពួកគាត់ក៏អត់មានភាពក្លាហានដូចខ្ញុំដែរតែឥឡូវគឺគាត់អាចចូលរួមជាមួយខ្ញុំគាត់អាចធ្វើសកម្មភាពជាមួយខ្ញុំបាន